indeed, it's been a decent day for the markets because we have seen good gains rather coming in on Nifty 50 while Nifty Bank is actually heading towards and closing in the green. But with this, let's hand over to Ashesha for the market close. Ashesha.
Well, yes, we did recover from the lowest point of the day in the second half of today's trade, and as you mentioned, decent closing coming in, at least for the Nifty, which is ending 165 points higher for the day, near that 24,731 mark. Nifty Bank was underperforming in trade today, but despite that, managing to hold on to marginal gains for today's trade, ending nearly 25 points higher, near that 55,640 mark. In terms of individual stocks, we had Hero MotoCorp up 5%, the biggest gainer on the Nifty 50 index. Hero MotoCorp was followed by Tata Steel up 4%, and Bharat Electronics, that one is also ending the day with gains of nearly 3%. On the losing side though, we had Power Grid down 1%, and HDFC Bank is also ending the day with cuts of nearly 1%. In terms of individual sectors, we had metal stocks which were soaring in trade today. Tata Steel, Jindal Stainless, all of them ending the day with gains anywhere between 4 to 5%. Nifty Metal Index up for you 2.5%. Tata Steel is also ending nearly 4% higher. JSW Steel ending 3% higher. Realty stocks were also shining bright. We had Lodha up 3%, Godrej Properties up 2%, Prestige Estates is also ending nearly 2% higher for the day. FMCG was one index which was gaining last week, but we saw some bit of profit booking as far as realty stocks are concerned. We had Radico Khaitan, which was down 1.5%, which was the biggest loser on the Nifty FMCG index. Godrej Consumer and Imami are also ending the day with marginal amount of cuts for the day. In terms of individual stocks, we had ABB India. Very weak set of numbers that the company reported. Management commentary also continues to be on the cautious side, where they say that second half is likely to be muted and they are likely to see momentum only by next year. So on the back of this, ABB ending the day 5.5% lower. ABB, the entire capital goods space was under pressure on the back of that. Delivery up 7%, very strong set of numbers that the company reported. And Utkarsh Small Finance Bank, that one is ending with a cut of nearly 8% after it reported very weak set of numbers. So all in all, broader markets, we had a whole host of individual earnings-based and commentary-based movers in trade. But on the index level, Nifty is ending near that 24,726 mark, and Nifty Bank was underperforming in trade. That's all the time we have in this edition of the show, but don't go anywhere. More news and updates will continue on the other side.